Alright, my people, and I welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, no, still on the matter. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly waiting to be, exactly waiting the people. Them they talk about it. Right now, many things don't happen, no. For inside this Yoruba land. The reason why we they shout to say, make them divide this country now to save life. What is happening in Nigeria does not happen in any other country. This kind of thing where they happen no be better thing at all. Yeah, so with the news where we say they reach us. My brother, my sister, they say they get one place where we say then they call it Maya. Yes, and so then talk about this place. Say them quite many people anyhow in that area in Ibarakpa East Yewa. Ibarakpa East in Maya, that one are Oyo State. This one for happen, and then now this thing will happen the way it be say then say this Fulani people then rush go the village, then buy many Yoruba people. In fact, then buy plenty of Yoruba people. Now the person will be say send this information out to come they talk say in surprise say most of all this media they no talk about this one. As myself at the yeram na I say make me too follow talk about them because many people will be say they know hear about this thing. Then plenty. Baba God now your hand over there. Okay, on to this next level. Make I go check it. Waiting then they talk inside this part. Alright, according to waiting the sup, them say this Fulani people them enter inside this village where then they call Maya village for Ibarakpa area. In fact, according to waiting, then tell us where the place they say na Ibarakpa East Yewa Ibarakpa East in Maya. My brother, my sister, waiting they happen. We they talk or say the hardship too much for the country. Say make we still beg, make we try, make we take survival. The hardship, no food, no water, no good road. Now waiting we they think about to be that to make Baba God help us so that we go fit is survival. No be say make they come see the pie house. Now here come be the thing we be say they come they do Baba God do. Now your hand with they. Now many things they go on. And many things they go wrong also for this Yoruba land. Waiting happen self. Why be say all this government, all the governor, the people will be say then saddle with this responsibility to take care of us. They know they do the needful. Why can't be say all of them can't keep quiet? As them quite many people reaching, nobody talk about them. And then now, as soon as they see for my screen, they don't catch these people. We be say, people will be say know them at the end of the day. Then see them for market according to the news where they reach us. Now in then grab them. Say then they among the people we buy people to the extent they say get one woman we be say he get belle. They even buy the woman with the pikin inside them. Hey, which kind of life will be this? This one they happen for Yoruba land. Baba God, now your hand over there with all these things where they happen, waiting the government they do. Because now this thing now where they happen be say then they try to buy all the Yoruba people small now waiting then they do. You know say this Fulani people they don't talk am say as far as Yoruba land is concerned say now them get Yoruba land. They don't talk am say all the Yoruba people say even all of us where would they talk of Yoruba nation, talk Yoruba nation, say we just they deceive ourselves. Say simply because them then don't occupy the village. They don't, in fact, they don't occupy all Yoruba land, most especially Ibadan. According to waiting this Fulani people they talk. Now remember that time we say all these Fulani people they carry Ibon, they enter inside Yoruba land in their numbers. Then plenty inside the bush of Yoruba land as we they talk. And these people the way they operate now, they know you know go even know when they go come outside, but they sit inside the bush, then go just line themselves out before you know waiting. People will be say they don't even think now those people then they attack first. Now that they try to take over all those villages so that them go fit carry their people enter there. Now with the thing where they happen now, e don show say this Fulani people they wan really take over Yoruba land, and then we dey talk of say Yoruba nation make we collect our nation. The government as e dey so they no ready to do anything about am. We no need to dey deceive ourselves. If this government actually ready, all this thing wey don dey happen, e no take government anything to carry to mobilize plenty soldier enter the forest to kpai all this Fulani people wey dey there. But dem go dey do like say dem no dey hear wetin dey happen. In fact, the oyibo man go say dem dey always dey look away. But this thing no suppose to continue like this. This thing dey pain me. The Yorubas go say ẹni kan ló mọ̀. This thing dey pain me because e never happen to any of them. That is why most of them keep quiet. Because it never happened to them, that is why they lock up, they neglect the people, say nothing concern them. But make una remember, say these people will be say then they kpai, then be human being like you and me. These people will be say then they kpai, so then be human being like you and me. To the extent they say all the security men will be say then they the area. You can imagine where soldier go they run come off for the Fulani people. Now ask me where these people forget the kind ibon wey be say dem dey use. Sophisticated ibon na in this Fulani people carry. And if ordinary civilian, ordinary Yoruba man carry that kind thing, they go say how he take get a gun, how he take get this thing wey be say e dey use, they do anyhow, they waka for street. Maybe you just ordinary use and waka as a security person, then go gbab you, then go arrest you. But Fulani people now make una tell us where them for they get this thing where them they use. Now there the problem there. Where them for they get this thing, who carry and give them, who give them license? Nobody they talk about that one. The government know they talk about that one. No, but the only thing where then they after now, if Yoruba man do any small thing, then go in house, go invade in house, say then go buy am. Waiting Chief Sunday but do we be say all this DSS people enter in house, go destroy everything. Person just they fight peacefully for him people. Say make them for get a better life. All these things where they happen. Now in Chief Sunday but what they fight against yet. And I see what thing happen. Then run go in house to then destroy everything, scatter everything, even buy many people. But now all these Fulani people they inside our villages, our bushes, the government lock up like say nothing happen. This news where they bring for now, this one no be say my you the place where it happen now for Ibarakpa Isi Yewa local government for Maya, according to the news where they reach us. Waiting they happen. Yoruba nation no going back. Make anybody no go relax. Say Yoruba man they there as a president. Because of that, make we relax. Since all this while, after we don't even talk about 29,000 Yoruba people we don't buy. Now you know the hundreds of people we be say they don't even buy after then. Now this one is the one we be say we go feel record. The one we no feel record. Now that thing we they talk about. Now the main thing we can they pain everybody be say after them catch these 3 people among all the people we come. After them catch them, they still carry them, go drop them for the same police station. Now Yoruba man go be the judge for that police station. The IPO where they there na Yoruba man, the DPO na Yoruba man. You can imagine. All these people where they there, then be Yoruba man and then go judge this case. At the end of it all, they go still leave them, make them go. Now, how long are we going to continue like this? One with the talk say, make we gather ourselves together, make we cooperate, make we come out, make we do on our own, because they buying it done too much. These people now, the strategy with them they used to be say to the Yoruba people one after the other. This is a very, very wrong go. Make everybody wake up onto this level. Now the news will be say if they reach us now be this so where I say make a let on know as the hot and as the bono. Alright, my brother, my sister, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly waiting to be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. Okay, until I come on our way next time. If this now your first time, we be say you they join us on this channel. I beg it, make you try, make you subscribe, make you share, and then make you give a thumbs up. Alright, now so it go be until we come on our way next time. I say on a bye for now.